So today's video is going to be one of the most craftiest video on my channel. Hi guys, I am Akanksha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. If you're someone who loves DIYs, crafts and want to dive into my crafting journey, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. So recently, like almost 35 days back, I took a daily handmade challenge for myself wherein I decided to make something handmade daily, which will be something apart from my regular orders and my regular work schedule. I did this to learn some new things, work on some new ideas, and just upgrade myself, my skills. And today in this video I'll show you what I made in my first 30 days of this challenge. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for day one, I made this cute little box. This is inspired from the Little Maker. I leave the link to her Instagram channel in the description box below. And this has a lot of flips here. So this is what I made on day one. Then on day two, I made these pocket envelopes. I have a tutorial for these on my channel, so I'll leave a link to that in the description box below as well as here, so you can go check that out. I'll leave a link to all the tutorials that I have on my channel, so you can go check them out. Then on day three, I made this acetate bag. It says don't quit. I plan to put this up on my craft desk. That is why I placed this sticker here, so that I get a reminder always. Then on day four, I made these cute little bows. I used my scrap papers to make these. Then I made this flip card on day 5, 6 and 7. So I wanted to give a new look to some of the old photos that I had lying. So this is what I made in 3 days. That is because I was working on a lot of orders as well as I had my college reopened, so I took 3 days to work on this. Then on day 8, I made this storage box. This is an old cardboard box that I covered with pattern paper and I put up via essential here, because this box holds all my essential stuff like my Fevicol, my double-sided tape and all the things that I use for my crafting on a daily basis. Then I made these cards on day 9 and 10 respectively. I used my scrap papers to make these. Then I made these cute little matchboxes on day 11 and 12. So when you open this, this says "You are my boo," and this one says "I just want to say I love you." Then for day 13, 14 and 15, I made this mini album. Again, I was stuck with a lot of other work, so it took me 3 days to make this. It's plain from inside and it is up on my Instagram store for sale as well. So I left it plain from inside so that it can be customized in any way that the person likes, on any theme that the person wants. It has 2 pockets as well, here and here. Then for day 16, I just cut out these tags because I was so occupied with a lot of things the whole day, so I just cut out these, and that is about it. Then for day 17, I made these flip envelopes. I made more of these, but some of them got used up in my projects. Then for day 18, I made these layered embellishments on birthday theme. I really liked how they turned out. Then for day 19, we have these Friendship Day cards here. Yet again, I made these from scrap papers, and I have a tutorial for these on my channel as well. Then for day 20 and 21, I made these two quotes. I used watercolors to make the background, and I really loved how these turned out. Then for day 22, I made these tags from book pages. These are made on love theme, and this was my first attempt in making something from old book pages, and I was quite happy with how these turned out. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial on this in the comment section below. Then for day 23rd, I made this cute little message. Yet again, I used watercolors. I'm loving these watercolor backgrounds, and I'm sure that I'll make more of these. Then for day 24, I made this explosion box. This is a 10 by 10 by 10 centimeter explosion box, and it has a shaker lid. This is the very first time when I tried a shaker on the lid, and I really loved how this turned out. Then for day 25, I made this timer card. It says I love you each second, every minute, every hour, every day, every second. Sorry for that. And I'm loving these small cards. They come in handy in a lot of projects, as well as you can give these directly to someone you want to gift something. Then for day 26, I made this booklet. So one thing that I really want to work on more is my layering skills while working on scrapbooks and cards. So I thought of making a booklet to practice those skills of mine, and this paper that I used is one of the papers I made in one of my previous videos, which is how to make papers at home, and it says mistakes are proof that you are trying. And I've created some layouts as well in here, and these are I just clipped them on with paper clips because I thought they turned out really nice and I can use them in my future projects. So I'll try and give you a walkthrough of this once it's complete. Then for day 27, I made this card. It has these hearts, and I don't know why, but this just bleeded through the paper. I'll try different pens from next time. Then for day 28, I made these mini shakers. So I had some scrap acetate papers lying with me, so I thought why not use them. So these were the shakers. Then for day 29, I made these cute little envelopes. I really loved how this one turned out. This is so bright and so cute. Then for the day 30th, which is the last day for today, I made this origami bag. And I loved how this one also turned out. And I'll surely be making something to put inside this bag. And this says the story of us. If my camera focuses, yes. So these were all the things that I made in the first 30 days of the challenge. Do let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. Also let me know if you would like to see tutorials for the things that I do not have uploaded a tutorial for till now. And also let me know if you would like to see a part 2 on this, like for the next 30 days, and I'll be happy to make a video on that. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also do let me know if you would like to see a process video of the layouts that I create in my practice booklet. And I want to tell you guys one thing, that some of these things are up for sale on my Instagram account. So if you would like to buy any of these, and these are for Indian residents only, so if you are interested, you can go check that out. I leave a link to my Instagram store in the description box below. And this was it for today's video. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.